This is the January Luxury Pretty Obsessed Beauty Box. It is late, we are now in February, but let's get to digging to see exactly what we've got. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic today. Today's video I have this is the January Pretty Obsessed box. So obviously it's late, we are in February now, but yeah, let's get it on out of here. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Here is the box, and yeah, like I was saying, this is late. We are obviously in February now, so I'm really not impressed. Another thing I'm not impressed by with this box is that the price has gone up. So it used to be £25 per month for the luxury box, which you get 10 full-size products in. I'm now on their website looking at the price, and it's gone up to £30 basically, £29.99. So £5 more. With what we get in this box can be questionable, as many of my viewers know who watch me unbox this month after month. There's a lot of very, dare I say, just really cheap brands in here that you can actually just go down to the pound shop or any other cheap shop like that and get. So I'm hoping something good's going to be in here, because at this moment in time I don't want to be paying £30 for this. So I may be looking for a new beauty subscription to take over this box. So if you have any suggestions, please comment down below. But yes, let's open this up. These do other beauty boxes as well, like skincare ones, period boxes, and so on. I'll let you go out to the website and check it out. If this box is something that you're interested in, I'll leave the link down below. I think that link gets you free postage. I'm not sure. Just click it and you'll see the other boxes that they do as well. But there is a quick sneak peek for you. Can't really see much, but yeah, let's have a proper dig through to see what we've got. First product we have is this. So this is by the brand Bubble Tea Cosmetics, and it's a creamy vanilla milkshake bath and shower gel. Have a smell, because I love vanilla. Yeah, it's that fake vanilla smell, really sweet, which is something I really like. So yeah, really happy to get this. It will definitely get used, especially with a scent like that. Bubble Tea is a really nice brand, a really nice affordable brand, but not cheap. So the second item we have is this. It is lots of eyelashes. It just says Pretty Obsessed, and there's nothing on the back. It just says fake mink, vegan and reusable. So yeah, there you go. I'm not really an eyelashes kind of girl, and if I am, they are more natural than that. I know obviously there's loads of people out there which will love them, so that's great for you. This will go in my giveaway draw, so somebody will have a chance to win them. But yeah, lashes. Third item we have in the box is this. It is by the brand Brushworks, and this is the Complete HD Complexion and Contouring Kit. So you get 3 makeup sponges in here. Love using makeup sponges. I've actually had this set before when I first started unboxing beauty boxes on my channel. I'm sure I got one of these in one of the many boxes that I unbox. And yeah, fabulous sponges. So glad to top my collection back up with them. The fourth item we have in the box is this. So this again is by the brand Bubble Tea, and this is a lavender and lemon essential oil night sheet mask. Yeah, love a sheet mask. I don't think I've tried a sheet mask by Bubble Tea before, so that will be quite interesting. Yeah, definitely one I'll have to try if it's got lavender in there, if it can help me relax and whatnot before bed, that would be really, really nice. So yeah, we'll definitely have to give that a go. So the 5th product we have in the box is this. Again, another product by the brand Bubble Tea. If this is a brand that you don't like, then you're a bit buggered, because this box has a lot of bubble tea in it. And this is a pillow mist, a calming pillow mist spray. For a good night's sleep, spray on your pillow with a delicate fragrance that will help you sleep. 75 mils in here. Yeah, I do like my pillow sprays, I must admit. Yeah, it smells lovely. It smells absolutely gorgeous. It's definitely got lavender in there, and I was going to say, yeah, lemon. It's got a bit of lemon in there too, so it's going to match your sheet mask. 6th item we have in the box is this. It is by the brand Daily Concepts, and it's a multifunctioning soap sponge, and it's got aloe vera in here. I had one of these a year or 2 ago, and I really enjoyed using it. As you wear the soap down, the sponge becomes more squishy, not too abrasive. It feels like a very light exfoliation. It's just really nice. So I'm super glad to get another one of those. The 7th item we have in the box is this. It's by the brand Estate, and it is a liner. It is a felt tip eyeliner, to be exact. It doesn't say the colour. Let's have a look. I'm not going to use this because I have lots of eyeliners on the go, and I'm not really someone who uses eyeliner. I'm not going to open it up because I want that to stay nice and fresh, so if I do decide to give it away, it's nice and new. But going by the black band there, I'm presuming that this is black. It does not say the colour on there. It's not jumping out at me in any way, but I am presuming it is black. I've never had an eyeliner from them. I don't know if it's any good or not. The product we have in the box is this. It is by the brand Rimmel, and this is an Insta CC primer. It's a colour corrector, and it is in the shade Peach. Let's have a look. Is it sealed? Oh no, it's not. Very light in colour to be a colour corrector, but there it is there. Yeah, so there it is there. It feels nice and soft on the skin. You can't see where I've put it. I don't know how it's a colour corrector, because it just doesn't look like I've got anything on my skin. But I suppose we'll have to try it out properly on the face and see what's what. It feels very smooth. Has that got silicone in it? Hopefully not. I don't like silicone-y kind of things. But on the back it says, colour correct your skin concerns with this lightweight formula. Correct dark spots and skin discolorations with this peach tone primer to perfectly prepare and balance your skin. Okay, so I mean, I have got pigmentation, so we will have to put it to the test to see if it works. The 9th product we have in the box is this. It is another product by the brand Rimmel, and yeah, it says a mini power palette. You can use it on your eyes, lips and cheeks. I must say I'm loving the colours in here as well. So that is what it looks like. This is a shimmer by the looks of it. That looks like it's a shimmer there. That looks like it's a wax or a gloss or a cream, I should say. Yeah. So that's what that one looks like there. I've just put that there. Ooh, that'll be lovely on the inner corner. And the others just look like powders. Okay, yeah. I really like the colours. Happy with that. The 10th and final product, I've kept the best till last, or I think it's the best in any way in the box that we've been given. It is this. So this is by the brand Doctors Cosmeceuticals, or should I say Doctors Formula, same thing. And this is from their Power Actives collection that they do. This is my favourite skincare brand out there. They do such expensive skincare, but so good. The Power Active range is their slightly cheaper end of skincare that they do, I believe. In any way, I could be wrong. But yeah, the Power Actives kind of range from around about £30 upwards. I think this is £30 odd. my memory is disgusting, but this is the Rapid Lift Serum. It's 5% Rapid Lift Actives and vitamin C. Love vitamin C, and it's also got green tea in here as well. It targets fine lines and wrinkles, which is exactly what I need, because unfortunately I have lots of fine lines and lots of wrinkles. Yay! So yeah, I am mega happy to be getting this in here. It does have a seal on, but the seal wasn't down, so that's a bit confusing. What it looks like. I am opening this because I am definitely keeping it and using it straight away because I love this brand. I'm sure I've had this particular thing before and I've used it, and I'm sure I enjoyed it. I'm sure I did. The packaging looks a bit different, so the only thing I can think of, this may be the old packaging, I'm not sure. Again, I could have that wrong, but yeah, I love this stuff. Can't smell anything, but yeah, really happy to get that in my box. Right guys, so this is the January Pretty Obsessed box. What do you think? Personally, I actually really like this box. What? I really did not want to like this because, again, I'm not happy that the price on this box has went up. So considering this is £30, but let's just have a little backtrack of what we've got and why I like the box, and then we'll go through what the cons are for me in any way. So yes, I love this. This is a big pro for me. I'm super happy to get the Doctor's Formula product. That is amazing. Got the Rimmel CC primer thing. Very interested to try that out to see what it's like, see what that's all about. And I'm loving the colours on the eyeshadow palette. Wow, really nice. I love a good makeup sponge. You can't really go wrong with them, and I have had them before, so I know I do like these ones. I love the smell of the vanilla bath shower jelly stuff. This sponge thing, seriously guys, it's so nice. My face loves it. And yeah, we've got the sleeping mask there. So some of the cons that we've got in here. So like I say, Bubble Tea is a really nice brand. You can get a lot cheaper brands out there than Bubble Tea, but they are definitely not a premium brand out there. And yeah, I'm interested in finding out what the face mask is like, don't get me wrong. So yeah, that's all right. The pillow spray, I mean, I've got a lot of pillow sprays, so I'm happy to have it, but I'm not like super ecstatic, like, oh my god, I need to use it now type of thing. The eyeliner, swings and roundabouts really. For someone who doesn't really use eyeliner that much, I do have a lot, so I don't think I'm going to find a use for it. And the eyelashes, I don't necessarily use eyelashes, and if I do, they're definitely smaller than those ones, a bit more natural, which is totally me. You may love those lashes, and if you do, fantastic, get them on your eyes straight away. So yeah, I think overall I am happy with this box. What should I do? Should I keep subscribed for another month to see what we get in the box for another month? Or should I cancel my subscription and join another beauty box subscription? Let me know down below if you think I should cancel and go with another beauty box subscription. Comment some boxes down below that you'd like to see me unbox on this channel, please. I need all the help I can get. But yeah, that basically concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.